Hi guys, basically now looking for the searching for the notification or security, just go to this license once dot business.gov. After you go to this one, then after that you will basically you need to go to login. After you login already, then you click this one license. After you everything go through those SingPass, everything go through already, you basically see this column and this license. Once you see this license, you immediately will go to this license, then you click this notification, this license, then you will see this below, this part the police. After they go this police already, you immediately click this security notification, then immediately you go to here. After go to here already, you will search this bar. On the search already, you immediately will see this is the security company that available, that is notification. So I have basically got one only. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. So after that, remember to lock up. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you guys. Thank you.